The floor we're using for this one is the wood pattern, very durable. This just like we use on a Sprinter. This is scratch resistance, water resistance, 1/4 inch. And before we lay that, underneath is the sound barrier, moisture barrier, and insulation, all in one. Here we go. All right, we just tested the water on our new window that we installed here on both sides. No leak. That's telling us that we did a great job. So, yay. This floor is done. You guys gotta check it out. You gotta check out how beautiful this floor is. Alright guys, the floor is done. Now the next challenge part is to lay things out to see how you want to fit everything. This is very challenging part too. We gotta know how you're gonna set up your electrical, the water pump, everything underneath the bed. A very tiny space like this. And also you have to keep in mind that it has to be easy to access. After that, in case you need to get to it, remodify anything. So I'm going to spend some time on this one, and let's see how it comes out. Alright, I come up with the solution. So this is where I'm going to mount my DC to DC charger. Okay, already pre-wired. Also on this side. And then my inverter is going to be right here. Since the inverter is heavy, it has to be on the tire, the over the wheel well, and also on that side is going to be the water tank. And then everything else, all the other accessories, it's going to be on top of here. So I'm building a little platform here, just right above the inverter, and put a piece of plywood right here. That's where all my fuses and the DC to DC, I mean the charger, the MPPT, and everything on top of here. The fuses and stuff on top of here, which is still lower than the wheel well here, and that's where the bed's gonna be, over it. And then my battery is gonna be residing right here. Okay, I still have this spot right here. In the future, I want to add, I can add another battery right here. So this works out perfect. Then I still have this room right here empty. We still have more stuff to do, but I think this is the best layout under the bed. Almost done, you guys. Almost. There's just a little bit more wires to go with this one. This is the most time consuming wiring. Yes, you gotta do, you gotta cut to fit every wire, all sizes, and then you gotta crimp and insulate the head on every one of them. Okay, because you don't wanna just do a careless job on these wirings. So far looking good. Some more. I'm using 2 odd wires for the main power, and yep, a little bit more to go. Beautiful. All right, fan cover is done, the fan is done, just need to hook up. Check out, my wiring is done for the most part, guys. I just need to run it under the frame right now. So at this time I am done with the wiring. I'm gonna build up the frame and then we go from there. Okay, this left, this is the inverter on and off switch. I just needed to route to the other side, and this is my BMV, the monitor, that also needs to route to the other side. My DC switch fuse box is ready, and then also my charger, solar charge MPPT. You can see it's already working and it's already fully charged. Okay, and this is my main shut-off switch right here that I need to put on the outside here when I have the frame ready. Otherwise, ready this system. So next I'm going to focus on my bed frame. I have some aluminum extrusion already cut. I'm going to build on the frame. Next video we're going to see the shape of the frame already up, because we want to get this van ready and soon, at least, you know, because we have a trip coming up planned. Exciting. So while I'm focusing on doing the framing, this video ends right here. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like. Thank you so much. Bye.